Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download YouTube banner template in Canva. So for you to download YouTube banner template, you have to search for this particular template in Canva. So it depends on you if you want just ordinary Canva template or you want a YouTube banner. So I'm going to go for a YouTube banner, then I'll show you how you can download it. So let's say you want something like this for your brand. So okay, good. But don't forget, any template you want to download, any ready-made template you want to download from banner from Canva, you have to edit it and customize it. It's something not doable for you. So let's say this particular one. Good. So I'm just going to do some light editing. So I don't want this because this is not my image. Right now I don't have any image. But if you have image, if you have image, you can move in. Just go to upload. Okay, good. You can just upload anything, or probably if you have your image on your PC, just copy it and paste and drag it inside. Canva also supports pick and drag, so you just drag it inside. So since I'm not have any image for now, I'm just going to delete this. Okay, then after that, okay, good. Let me search from icon. Good. Let me drag this icon and put. I can just easily use this icon as an example. Then let me just remove this. Let me remove this entire. Good. Then just put it this instead of the. Good. Then change the size. Then put it here. Then you can just easily edit the name. Then that's it. Name of my channel. Twoguysfinance. Good. Then if you want to change the color, you want to add color, just come here, then add the color black, then just let's say I want to make it something red. Good. After I have to underline it, then okay, good. That's it. Good. Alright, that's it. Then I think it's okay like this. It's kind of better than the already made Canva template we pick. So once you're done with the whole customized part of the template, then come down here and click on this share button. Then you click on download. Then you click on download button. You can see it down here. You can see, and that is how. And you can also customize. You can also customize the name. You can change the name for this. That will be before you download. Once you add the name of the template, you can add the name here. You can change it. Raise the one we have there. You can change it to what you want. After that, then you download.